Welcome back, guys. In this section we are going to work on the add product screen in the front end. So we are not going to complete this add product functionality in 1 or 2 sections. I think it will be at least 3 or 4 sections because it is going to have the lot of complex functionality. So instead of complex, it's better to call it as the lengthy functionality. Okay, so let me show you what we are going to build in the next 2 sections as well as in this section. Okay, so right now in the deployed version I have logged in with one of the seller account, Anjali. So if I open this iPhone 12 Pro, this is the product description page. So this is the main image and these are the other image. So I can switch between the image. That means a product should have multiple images. Okay, and then if you see the complete information, which is nothing but the title of the product, some description and other product details like category, purchased year, and some other details like bill available, box available, accessories available, warranty available. So yes or no. So the seller must provide all these details to sell the product in this portal. Okay, so coming to the owner details, I know we already know this: owner name Anjali and email. So if anybody want to contact this product owner directly, they can contact using this, or else if they want to bid directly in the public portal, so they can bid like this. So forget about these bits, we will discuss about this later. So right now we need to build a form to generate this page. So image upload, product details, all this stuff. So I'm going to divide this add product part into 3 sections. So in the first section I'm going to work on the complete product form in the front end. In the second section we are going to work on the product API and integration. In the third section we are going to work on the image uploading thing, because as I said, this is the complex thing as well as the lengthy thing. So instead of putting all these things in a single place, let's better to divide and achieve. Okay, so let me go to the form now. So if I click on the profile, I'll go to the profile screen. Here you can see, so in this profile I'm going to have sell, that means the products I want to sell and already sold all these things. So this is the product. This is from the seller side, not from the user. So user can see only this. So Anjali is a seller here. So she want to sell her old iPhone 12 Pro. So she has added a product in this product form. So once the product is added, you will be enabled with the images tab. So instead of this, let me show you in the edit how the product look. So here you can see this is the 2 tabs for the product details: name, description, price, age. Age is nothing but how many years old the product is. Category, bill available, warranty available, box available, accessories available. So based on this also the users can decide, the buyers can decide whether this price is suitable for these things or not. Okay, so once the product is saved, you can get the product ID, so you can upload the images to that product. So here you can see you can upload multiple images and you can also delete the uploaded images. So this will take some time, image uploading thing, because we have to learn about the Cloudinary, Multer and all those stuff. So that's the reason I'm going to keep this at the end of the add product module. So first we'll complete the basic form as well as the API integration. So I hope you got it. So now first creating this form model and all this stuff, we need the profile page. So let's go and create that in the current version. Pages, profile, index.js, RFCE, profile. Okay, now let's go to the app.js. Here let's add that. Instead of home, let's make this profile. Done. Okay, so now go to the protected route. So when we click on this username, navigate the user to profile. Done. Yes, I have navigated to the profile. Now let's create the tabs. Okay, so I'm going to import tabs from entity. So then we need to have default, so the first tab name will be, I'm going to keep it as buy or sell. Buy or sell. So that means the products you have uploaded and the products you have bought. Okay, I think we need not to put the bought products here, just for the tab name I'm giving that. Okay, so here I'm going to have bids. Don't worry about this bids concept, just keep it as it is. Close this, and then general. Close the tabs. Done. Okay, so you got the tabs now. First let's leave this bids and general, keep it as it is, and create a product page or add product form, whatever you can. So let's create the new folder in the profile, products. In that products, again I'm going to create one index.js, RFCE, products, and then products form.js, RFCE. Done. Okay, close all. Then in the profile tabs, instead of having the normal h1 text, just render the profile component, sorry, products component. Okay, why is not working? Done. Or else let's keep this as products itself, my products. Yeah, so here you can see now you got the products. Done. And here first we will have the table. Forget about the table, we will discuss it later. So we need to have one button here. Okay, so that button should be add product. Okay, so here first I'm going to have dot flex dot justify between, then I'm going to have the button add product, and this should be variant outlined, which is nothing but type info. I think we don't have type info, we have default and dashed. So let's keep it default. Yes, so you got the button. Okay, so this has to be here. Instead of justify between, justify end. Okay, so you got the add product button. So when you click on this add product button, you have to open the product form model. So our product form should be a model. So here I'm going to receive props like show product form model, product form, set show product form, and this has to be a model. This has to be a model from the entity, and put some text h1 product form. Text is not required. So just keep it title add product, or else let's keep the title empty string and keep the text product form. And when it has to open only if show product form is true, and on cancel we have to make the product form false. And then we need the footer as well, so need not to be footer null, and it has to be centered. I think we are good. Go to the products list, create the use state hook, const show product form, set show product form initially false. So once you click on the add product, we are going to make that true. So now if it is true, I'm going to make, if show product form is true, I'm going to render that. Okay, product form, and pass the values. Show product, not products. Here also product. Show product form, show product form. Yeah, done. Why still it is not working? Yeah, let's close these ones. Here also it's product, not products, because we will add only one. Show product form, here also show product form. Why it is not working? Yeah, I forgot the and symbol. Show product form is not defined. Show products form, where is it? Oh, here. Think I have to refresh. Products index.js. There is some issue with the names. Yeah, here also, sorry. Set show products form, line number 11. Here, done. Yeah, sorry for the issue, guys. Yes, here you can see we could able to get the model pop-up. So don't worry about this font style, we will adjust in the next lecture. So right now we could able to get the product form model. So in the next lecture we will design the actual form. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we will start designing the actual product form. So this is the prototype. So even in the product form also we need the tabs. Okay, so let me go to the product form, get rid of this h1 text and get the tabs from the entity. First one will be the general, which is nothing but the product details. h1 general, tabs pane. Second one will be the images, close the tabs. Okay, later we will add the bits, that's later. Okay, add product. Yes, so let's increase the width of this model. Width I am going to make this 800 or else 1000. Yeah, okay, so first let's go to the index.css. Default font color, that means color should be, it's not complete black and not complete gray, it's kind of like this. Okay, and also default font size should be 16, not 16, 12px. 12 is too small, let's make this 14. Yeah, this is the default. Okay, so every time we need not to do other things, and I think better to keep 16. Yes, 16 is better somewhat, or else sorry guys, let's make this 15. Yeah, add product, general and images. So let's start building the general form. Okay, keep the, sorry, remove the text general. So first I'm going to have the form, React router DOM. Okay, layout should be vertical. Sorry, it has to be from entity. layout vertical. So the first item should be label name as well as name, also name itself, product name, or else you can call it as the product title if you want. Type text, don't use these input, use the normal entity input. Okay, input is not defined. Yeah, so you got the name. Then okay, I think we got an issue here. Here you can see the button color is changing to what it is, 0K. That means OK is changing to some text color what we have given for the form text elements. Go to the index.css. So here we have given one color, right? So this is disrupting that. Let's get rid of. Yeah, now it's normal. So we got the name. Now we need the description. I'm going to use text area. Okay, so you got the description. And what else we have? Price, age, category. Okay, so price, age, category should be present in the grid. So now what I'm going to do means I'll keep the row. So basically entity row will have 24 columns. So for every 8 columns I'm going to render one field. So call span 8. Okay, call span 8, name price, input number, close this, close the call. Then we need the category. We don't want quantity, we want category. So category should be a select field. So first let's keep this as input, later I will change it. Yeah, so make this as select. So for select I'm going to use the normal select only. So option, so default I'm going to write as electronics, label is equal to electronics. Then fashion, then home, then sports, then we have toys, we don't require. Yeah, let's keep these 4 and get rid of the name and ID property for the select field. And after the category we need age. So age, okay, age is input field only. Input, type number. That's all. And for this row give some padding, gutter 16. Okay, done. Yeah, so product price is okay, age is okay, but what is this? Select category is not okay. This is the select field. So go to the index.css and whatever the styling you have written for the input fields, make this for select as well as text area also, not for the button. Okay, and keep this as min height, not height, because for the text area the height should be higher. Done. And also even width 100%, always width 100%. And here also even input focus, text area focus, and a select focus. You can see now everything is clear. So our product coming along good. Now checkboxes. Okay, so for the checkboxes you have some complex code. First we need the add-ons or whatever we can call it, so just call it something, const additional things is equal to, so I'm going to create an array. So first one is label is or else bill available. Sorry, this is label actually. This is label, bill available, and name is equal to bill available. Then warranty available. Then warranty period is not required. If they want, they can contact the customer. The other things are accessories available, name also accessories available. What else we have? Box available. Okay, so we got all these fields, additional things. Now we need to loop through this. For every item we need to give a checkbox after this row. Okay, so I'm going to use flex for this, dot flex, and I'll keep gap 10. Where is it? Yeah, so additional things dot map. So I'm going to give a normal return. So return, yeah, form dot item, item dot label, name is equal to item, input type is equal to checkbox. Done. Okay, let's see the output. Yes, you can see you got all the fields. You can select and unselect. Yeah, it's coming good. And what else we have? Submit button. Okay, so right now we don't have the code for cancel and OK, but the actions will be performed. If I click on the cancel, it is getting closing the model pop-up. How? So in the model we have the props on cancel and open. So we can customize the text of this footer, as well as we can customize the actions that has to perform. So now on OK, I am going to perform the what action? Form submit. And before that we need the rules also for the form. Okay, const rules is equal to required true, message required. Okay, so for all the fields just add the rules. Here also rules, and then you have a lot of fields here. Everything is required. Okay, rules, yeah, so these checkboxes are not required. Okay, they can give or they can ignore. Now we need to have the submit button. So basically submit button will work only in the form, but we don't even have one button in the form. Only the button we have is the form footer. So this has to be performed as the form submit button. Okay, so what I'm going to do means, first I'm going to create the form reference. Okay, const form ref is equal to react.useRef initially null, and for the form I am going to assign that reference. Ref is equal to form ref. So now we can access this form throughout this page. Okay, now first and foremost I am going to change the OK text. So instead of OK text I am going to make this as save. You can see you have the save. Now you need to have on OK. On OK, what you have to do, you have to submit the form. So first of all, you need to have on finish method. Okay, so on finish, you need to have the on finish function. Close these out, and here const on finish is equal to console.log values. Now I am just writing it here. On OK is equal to formref.current.submit. So I am submitting the form. That's all. So if I click on the OK, it has to validate. Let's see. Yes, it is validating. Done. Now let's give the product iPhone 12, description, an Apple product, price I am going to give $10,000. Yes, it's electronics only, and age is equal to what I can say, 3 years. Okay, and I have bill, warranty, accessories. Let's click on the save and go to the console. Yes. Okay, so you have accessories available empty string, age empty string, bill available false, bill box available. So additional things are not working as expected. Remaining everything is okay. Price, name, description, category, all the things are okay. Now let's work on the additional things, what's going on. And you also have one more bug. If I scroll down here and if I open save, here you can see electronics is selected, but still we are getting the required, so it is not taking the initial value. So what I am going to do means, for the select I am going to give an option, select empty string, so they have to select other. Done. Now it's gone. Now let's see what's going on with the additional things, why it is not working. Okay, so basically if I go to the, where is it, yeah, you have input type is equal to checkbox. So even though if you provide the name, input checkbox will not work similar to the input text or input number, so you have to write the custom on change method. Okay, so let me write that. Value is equal to item.name, obviously. Let's see if we provide the value whether it works or not. iPhone 12. If it works, then fine, we need not to check the other things also. $2,500, age 5. Save. No, still it is not working. Let's unselect and select. Save. Still the same issue, all are getting empty strings. Now let's resolve this. I think until unless we write the on change, it won't work. Okay, so on change E. So first we'll be having the E, then we will change the value of this particular name in the form object using the ref. Okay, formdef dot set fields value. So we will keep the remaining as it is, and we are going to write e.target.checked. Okay, now let's see. Whatever, if it is checked, we are going to get the checked, else it will be not. And here let's see whether we have the checked property. Yeah, we have. So formref.current.get field value. So here we have the set fields value, here you have the get field value, both. Okay, now let's see. Refresh. So I hope it should work this time. So I have added some form filler extension, so by default it will populate. So I am selecting all. Just for the testing purpose I am doing this. Save. Yes, you can see accessories available true, bill available true, box available true, warranty available also true. Now let's make any one of these things false. Warranty I am going to make it false and save. This time warranty should be false. Yes, warranty available false. So everything is working as expected. So we are ready with the product form. So forget about the images tab and bits tab. Bits we don't even have now. So later we will work on the images. So right now our goal is to save this data in the database. So in the next lecture we are going to work on the model as well as the APIs. Then after we will build the actual images. Okay, thank you. Welcome back guys. In this lecture we are going to work on the product model as well as the APIs. So it's simple CRUD operation in the backend, so you need not to check any logics, just get the data from the front end and save it. Okay, so I'll be little bit fast. I'm going to complete the model as well as the API in this lecture itself. Okay, so first let's create the model. We already know the fields, so it's easy to write the model. First we need the mongoose. Const mongoose is equal to require mongoose. Const product schema is equal to new mongoose.schema. First we have the name, type string, require true. Description, type string, require true. Price, type number, require true. Category, type string, require true. Subcategory we don't need. What else we have? Age, type number, require true. Type number and required true. Type number required true, and we have something like images initially empty array, so it's not required actually. Type array, required true, you can keep it because anyhow we'll send the empty array if nothing is there, or else default empty anyhow. And then we have timestamps true. So we forgot the additional rings. Sorry, not rings, it's things. First one is bill available. Bill available. Type boolean, required true. Default false, required true. Okay. Warranty available. Type boolean, default false, required true. Done. Accessories available. Type boolean, default false, required true. Then the last one, box available. Okay, done. So apart from this we need two things. First one will be user, or else you can call it as the seller. Just keep it as a seller. Seller is the reference of the users only. Okay, let's keep the reference as users. Okay, done. Required true. And then after we need the status. Okay, status, type string, default pending, required true. So the admin will approve or reject this product ad based on the details by contacting the owner also if required. So we got all these details. Whatever the details you are expecting from the front end, those things should be required true. Okay, module.exports is equal to mongoose.model products schema. Okay, so now let's build the API. Products route.js. export const router is equal to require express router, const product is equal to model slash product model, and we also need the auth middleware. Const auth middleware is equal to require middlewares slash auth middleware. Done. Now the first endpoint will be add new product. So nothing to do in the backend, just get the data and save it to the MongoDB. That's all. Okay. So router.post endpoint will be add product, auth middleware. Obviously, if the condition passes in the auth middleware, we are going to execute the try catch block. You need not to destructure also, just save it as I said. Response.send. Okay, status success. Oh, error. Sorry, I forgot the things. It's success false. Message, error message. In the try block, const new product is equal to await new product of request.body. That's all. Request.body await product.save response.send success true, product added successfully. That's all, guys. Okay. So once you add the product, you need to fetch the products by the ID. Okay. So or else just write get all products. Later we will change it to fetch the products by user ID. First, anyhow we have only one user, so get products. Done. Okay. So const products is equal to await product.find. Later we will add the filters in the request body. So right now we are finding all. Okay. So this is the backend API for adding product, getting all the products. So we'll work on the remaining APIs later. So module.exports is equal to router. Now go to the server.js. First we need the products route and the entry point. Done, guys. So we are done with the basic APIs for the products. So the error has welcomed us. Cannot find the module auth middleware. Just copy it from the users route and put it there. Yes, it worked. So we are done with the API part also. So then in the next lecture we will work on the integration. Welcome back, guys. In this lecture we will work on the product add API integration into our front end. So first go to the clients, src API calls, create a new file called as the products.js. So as like the users, let's import the Axios instance. It's not giving me the suggestion. I'll import it manually. Okay, so first one will be obviously add product, add a new product. So we'll get the payload from the front end, we'll send it to the /API/product/add product with the payload, and we will return the response.data to the page. That means model pop-up. And also write get products. Done. So /API/product/get products. Here also done. Now go to the model pop-up, which is nothing but the product form. Okay. So first this is the on finish. So we have to show the loader. That means we need the dispatch object. Const dispatch is equal to use dispatch. it's not importing manually. Import use dispatch from React Redux. Done. So console.log values, try catch. So in the values I'm going to write, in the catch block I'm going to write message.error, error.message. Now in the try block, first dispatch set loader true. Okay, then const response is equal to await add product. So to use the await keyword, this function should be async. Then if response.success, just show message.success and set show product form false, and else message.error here also. Okay, so after getting the response, obviously set loader false, and even in the catch block also set loader false. I think we'll get lot of the errors with the import scenarios. Yeah, set loader is not defined. Let's define that. Not importing manually. So go to the what I can say, import oh, not here, import add product from the API class, that means APIs. That's done. We just need the set loader. So redux slash loader slice, done, guys. Okay, and the things we have to attach to the values are values dot seller is equal to current user ID. Okay, to get the current user ID, we need to fetch it from the Redux. Const user is equal to useselector state dot just users. Okay, useselector, this is also needs to be imported from the React Redux. Done. Now value.seller is equal to user._id, and values dot status is equal to pending. I think these are the two things we are giving manually. Remaining everything will be coming from the form itself. Done. So let's refresh. Add product. So I'll use the same product, iPhone 12, description, an Apple product, price $2,500. It's too high actually. Let's make it $1,500. Electronics, age 2 years old. Except box, I have everything. Bill, warranty, accessories. I'm clicking on the save button. Product added successfully, but I could not able to see the loader. I think this is because of the Z-index. So the model pop-up Z-index might be higher than the actual loader. So let me go and adjust the Z-index first. Okay, so where is loader? Not loader, spinner. So right now the Z-index is Z10. Let's make this 100. 100 is not there. So I'll use one arbitrary value, 4 nines. Yeah. Now let's open the model pop-up and see whether the Z-index is working or not. To make it check, just put not symbol here just to simulate the loading scenario. Yes, it's working. Now get rid of this. Okay, so back to the product. So we got the message, product added successfully. Let's go to the MongoDB and reload the data. we should get the products. Yes, we got it. Click on these products. Awesome, we got everything. So we got the seller, box, available accessories, images, age, category, almost everything whatever we have given in the model. Let's try to add one more product. So this time I am going to give Reebok bat. Description, a cricket bat. So $100. Category sports. Age 1 year. So bill I have, warranty no one can have, accessories nothing, box also nothing, only bill I have. Save. You can see product added successfully. The API is very fast. Refresh. So I got the second product also. That's all. So our product create API is working as expected. Okay, so in the next lecture we will work on the product get products into the table. Okay, so here you have the products, right? We just need to display it into the table part. Thank you.